In real life, we usually ask ourselves questions like, if Tala is taller than Yara, and if she is younger than her. Words like and that combines two Boolean expressions, we call them logical operators in Python. In Python, we have three logical operators: not operator, and operator, and or operator. How we use the not operator? If we have x equals false, we use it not x, and not false is true. How we use the and operator? Use it that way. If x is false and y is false, then x and y is false. The only situation where and equals true, the and expressions equals to true, if both sides, the x and y, equal to true. The third operator is the or operator. The only case where the or operator is false is if both sides, the x and y, is false. Let's do some exercises. I want to receive input from the user, then evaluate if. The first requirement is to evaluate if the input is between 0 and 10. Okay? If it is between 0, so greater than 0, and 10, so less than 10. Okay, we have two Boolean expressions, greater than 0, less than 10. Let's do the first requirement. X equals and explicit conversion of the input, insert an integer. Okay, to do the first requirement, we need to check if x is greater than 0 and x is less than 10. Let's print that statement. Let's input 11. It is false because 11 is not between 0 and 10. The second requirement is to check if x is negative or greater than 10. To do so, we will write the following statement. If x is negative means x less than 0 or greater than 10. Let's evaluate 13. The sentence is true because one of the expressions that or is having is true. Let's do the third and last requirement if it's not greater than 11. To do so, we will use the not operator, not greater than 11. 13. 13 is greater than 11, so it evaluates to true, but not true is supposed to evaluate to false. Let's do it and see the runtime. It's false, as expected. Let's do some other exercise. Assuming that the integer is 13, x equals to false, and y equals false, and z equals true. as per the output. Evaluate this expression. In order to evaluate this expression, we are supposed to know the priority of the execution of the logical operators. The priority is first given to the not, then and, then or. So for evaluating this expression, we will evaluate not z. Not z, which is not true, so it is false. Then or is not evaluated yet because it's not in the priority list. After evaluating the not, we will evaluate the and. It's the second. It's of second priority. Okay, so x, which is false, and y, which is false. False and false evaluates to false. So we are having this expression now, which is false or false. False or false evaluates to false. Okay, so let's print the y to check if our answer is correct. 13. W is false. It was Tala Uwais. Thank you.